Hey everybody, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. Last Tuesday, September 17th, Uber executives were on stage in Washington, D.C. with a major driver app update announcement, including their CEO, Dara Khosrowshahi. On this snippet, you guys are going to watch Sachin Kansal, who is head of driver operations in the U.S. I have interviewed him actually. But all these short videos are going to be my reaction to all these announcements. They announced 7 or 8 important things actually. One of these happens to be something that I really like, which is, as you all know, once in a while you will run into a rider or a passenger that will get in your car, but before you can even start the trip, Uber asks you for a 4-digit code. Now, for security reasons, I think this is great. How many times maybe you're picking up at a bar with 50 people looking for their Ubers, they're drunk and the wrong person gets in your car. I think this should be mandatory. I think this is a great idea. The riders could have chosen to go this route. Well, now Uber is going to give the driver the choice to select that all their riders potentially, all their passengers, use a verification code.
It's also very important for safety. And you may have seen sometimes a rider has a 4-digit PIN. You need to get that PIN. You have to enter the PIN to make sure that the right person gets in the right car. But today that PIN is completely controlled by riders. They decide which trip they want the PIN on. And drivers have told us, hey, why not me? And in many surveys that we have run, overwhelming majority of drivers have told us that you would like the ability to select which trip you want a PIN on. So now we are introducing PIN verification for drivers. You should be able to go into the safety toolkit and you can turn it on and you can decide, do I want to verify all my trips in the future or just this particular trip? So you can just set it and forget it. Once you do that, the rider will have a PIN in their app. They need to give you that PIN. The PIN needs to match before you start the trip. So you can start the trip very confidently knowing that you have the right person in the car.
I think this is a great idea. I think this goes a long way as far as not picking up the wrong passenger. So what will happen is that with a few clicks in your app, you will be able to either choose keep business as usual, no verification necessary. On a certain shift, on certain trips, you can choose to turn that on. Or the third choice is on all your trips requests, you turn this verification on. Uber sends the rider the verification. As soon as they get in the car, instead of saying, what's my name, what's your name, all this stuff, just say, what's your 4-digit code? And then they will give you this code. And then you will be able to start the trip. I think this is a great idea. And it's not going nationwide yet, but it's available in many of your cities. And make a choice. Are you comfortable with asking all riders verification? I think this is a good thing. So it's not all bad in the rideshare world. Obviously, this is not going to earn you more money, but for your peace of mind and not picking up the wrong passenger, I think this is very good. So with all that said, please go to the video notes or the show notes, all the links specifically to our newsletter, www.therideshareguy.com. Sign up to our free newsletter. I just wrote an article that dropped a couple of days ago. I write a few articles a month. I know we all like watching videos, but sometimes reading is better because these articles are a lot more in detail and they have a lot more screenshots. So you guys can familiarize yourself how to turn this feature on. But I think this is one of the good things out of 7 or 8 things that Uber announced. This is one of the ones that I really like. There were actually at least half of them of what Uber announced for safety and security of the driver. I appreciate. And so join us every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern for Show Me the Money Club. And more importantly, please stay healthy and be safe out there.